I've been journaling my whole life, and long before I had the courage to act, my words already knew. I was not meant to play small. I was meant to build something that would change the healthcare system forever. I'm Brenda Navin, a registered dietitian, founder and CEO of Launch My Health. More than 20 years ago, I started at the bedside. I was bright-eyed, mission-driven, ready to help people heal. And almost immediately I saw it. Healthcare wasn't designed for health. It was designed for maintenance. Pills, procedures, rinse and repeat. And that was not why I became a dietitian. I grew up watching my mom cook from scratch, tending a garden, feeding our family real food long before it was trendy. And I believed, and I still believe, that nutrition is the most powerful lever you can pull for your health. And I believe that food is medicine, and I also know we can do better, and we have to do better. So I built a program inside the healthcare system, and it thrived, but it would only reach those who could afford access. Then COVID hit. And instead of talking about metabolic health, the root cause of poor outcomes, we stayed silent. And that was it. My values no longer aligned. I was done waiting for permission, so I quit. It wasn't reckless, it was clarity. It was now or never. 5 years ago, the words I had written for decades stopped being dreams and became a reality. Launch My Health was born and the disruption began.